Hello everyone! So I'm actually going to be DIYing a backdrop, kind of like a flat lay when you take like your lifestyle photos. You know, since I'm a big DIYer, I was not finna buy one. Them things are expensive, guys. So I'm actually going to go ahead and DIY it. Alright guys, so we're back out again. We just made it to Home Depot. So I have a list on my phone of things I need to grab for this DIY project. Come with me as we go shopping for them. See you there. There's Home Depot. Let's go ahead and get in here, guys. Headed to lumber, guys. Like I told you, is a 2x4. I don't know what I want. I might go with this $11 plywood. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, these are 2x2s. There's a $9 plywood. I might go ahead. Interior sanded, $9 and a penny. 2x4. That's what I'm gonna grab, guys. Okay, so I look to the side and this is what I need, guys. This joint compound. It's $7 and it's right by the plywood. So look, everything was so convenient. I saw somebody with a snake plant, so I cannot resist. But I'm gonna go by the plants, okay? Don't judge. Big and beautiful these are. Alright, so I got my stuff, got my plywood, and head out. I'm back in from Home Depot. I finally got the plywood, the joint compound needed. So now all we have to do is go ahead and get ready for the DIY. So we have the plywood, all-purpose, some contact paper, a spackle knife for this, and scissors to cut this. We're doing two sides, so the first side's going to have contact paper on it. The second side, we're going to give it a texture using this all-purpose joint compound. All right, see how this goes. the second side a different look. I will be adding the joint compound. So I will be using this, adding this all-purpose joint compound onto the top. With this side, I'm giving it a texture, so I'll be using that putty knife. All right, so this is what the joint compound looks like. Let me apply it. I think I want to apply it kind of like in a downward motion. And also give it a Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the DIY board. So you could see that after the 24 hours, the texture is looking so nice on this board. So this is the back side, and then this right here is the front side with the marble look.